Hello and welcome to Vlogmas Day whatever. I don't know what day this goes up, so I can't tell you what day of Vlogmas it is, but it will be a Vlogmas day, that's for sure. I go to New York today, getting ready. I leave for the airport in probably about 2 hours. We're gonna get breakfast at the Black Bear. Is it diner or cafe? Diner, right? Diner. At the Black Bear Diner before I go. The final supper. The last supper. What? The first breakfast. I'm so excited. This is new and I can't wait to try it.
This is new?
Peppermint local bro.
I see, yeah.
And maybe we'll take home Mushroom Bear today.
No comment.
She looks cute. I'm gonna try her now. Taste test. That's good. Number one, this just smells really good.
They colonized my omelet.
They colonized them. Oh, look at his little. Oh my god! Feed the bears. Feed them. That looks good though. That biscuit is freaking huge. Get him. Kenan got me Mushroom Bear. He's a Mushroom Bear. And he was the last one and we adopted him. His name is Charles. Mushroom Bear. He's so cute. And his head comes up like the hood. So then he's just regular bear. And then he's Mushroom Bear. And I love him. He's so cute. Suitcase is packed, and then I remembered I get to take a free carry-on. So I'm gonna unpack the suitcase a little bit, put it in the carry-on, make it easier. I'm not gonna wear my Docs because I don't have to. I'm gonna wear my Uggs. Still gotta pack the personal item, including my work laptop. So like that's kind of really important, and all my meds. Plus I have to grab my like toothbrush and stuff and my brush. But Kenan is playing with his new Christmas gift, electric toothbrush. And I need to do the final prep. I've got to gather all my stuff and repack into this fun little carry-on. And I need to get all of my work stuff in too, so let's go. Okay, I'm trying to gather all my little tchotchke items. Let's do a little repacking here. I'm thinking the books. I feel like that's the easiest to maneuver. And then we'll put the boots in here. You know what? Let's make it easy. I'm gonna put my pajamas in here so I can get them out really, really easily when I get home. All of my tiny little things I'm going to put in here because this will be at the tippy top. How full is this? It's pretty full. The pods, the one necklace I am bringing. I should probably take my medicine before I put it away. That would be a good idea, I think. Make sure I got all that medicine. How much is this? Oh, that's half an ounce. I've got CBD for Marley. Got my little doggy drugs. Can't forget the lip combo, like. Okay, cool. With this, I need to put in my regular suitcase. Not regular suitcase, what the fuck am I saying? My regular computer. We've got the cords and the electronics. Okay. This backpack. This here. I'm gonna put, that's going in the big backpack. This will come in the big backpack. This will go in here. Let's go in the big backpack. And I think this is done. Yeah, it's gonna have to be. For right now at least. Oh shit! Bestie?
Yeah.
Would you grab me a big plastic bag, please? Like the gallon bag. Okay. This is all going in here. Okay. Thank you, Lifesaver Bestie. Meat. Hair products. In here. Now we can zip it. Oh, no, we can't. We need my work laptop. Okay. Regular laptop. In here. I packed early and everything, but I'm still scrambling because I'm silly. Okay. Work laptop acquired. I honestly think I packed pretty light this time. Oh, maybe not. Now we should be good to go. Goodbye to my precious puppy. I will see you after Christmas, Mr. Egg. I love you. I'll go miss you, puppy.
No.
Because he's so cute and he's our baby. I'm excited to have a dog that isn't as stinky though.
Isn't this stinky like in the things that he does? Because he is like as stinky, right?
He might have just gotten a bath. So if Marley got a bath, he will be unstinky in all the ways. However, Iggy doesn't smell that bad right now. He's just dirty as fuck. Because you're a little dirty boy.
Me? I'm dirty as fuck. To the airport.
And look at the little bunny. We have a baby bunny who just sort of hangs out. And he's so cute. He's just chilling. He's enjoying his time. He's looking at Iggy in the window. And I look at him. And he looks at me. We're going to the airport. I did the Denver Reserve, which lets you like cut the line. It's kind of like TSA, but you don't have to pay for it. So I'm excited to see how that goes. And that's at 11:30 and it's 11 now and we were 20 minutes away. So off we go back to the East Coast. Okay, my flight was delayed and it is very empty here. So I didn't necessarily need the Denver Reserve thing today, but still fun to try it out. So we're gonna go. My bag was already over by 2 pounds, but the lady was very nice and let me through. So let's go. It's like empty. LOL. Okay, I made it through security in a record 7 minutes. So I fully have like 3 hours, 3 entire hours, because my flight is already delayed. So I'm gonna walk around, I'll probably squat and probably read, finish the Warrior Cats book. So let's go. Good morning, Mr. Wee. You gonna give him the business?
He's gonna give me the business.
Molly, wanna go for a walk? Go for a walk?
Business time.
Yeah, tell Daddy though. He needs to know. You tell Daddy?
What? What? What?
You gotta tell Daddy. Say, woof.
Yeah, you can video this, Rosie, because that's worth the price of
I don't know
admission.
if he's gonna do it.
Give him the business. Oh, he just wants pets right now. No business.
Oh, nice.
Dad, please tell.
Thank you.
Mommy's got to do her part.
Ooh.
I will. And then you can do your contribution of instigation.
Hi.
Daddy doesn't know. He thinks.
Give him the business. Woof.
What is it? What? What? I don't know. What? What was that?
Hey, what a good puppy.
What? What?
What a good doggy.
It's business time.